To make a bed in Minecraft on the PS5, start by gathering the necessary materials. You will need 3 wooden planks and 3 wool blocks. You can obtain wooden planks by placing a log in the crafting table, and wool blocks can be obtained by shearing sheep or killing them for their drops. Open your crafting table by selecting the crafting option in your inventory. In the crafting table, arrange the materials in a specific pattern to craft the bed. Place 3 wooden planks in the bottom row of the crafting table, and then place 3 wool blocks in the middle row. Once you have crafted the bed, it will appear in your inventory. To place the bed in the game world, select it from your inventory and choose a location to place it. Beds can be placed on any solid block, and they must be placed on the ground, not on other blocks or items. When placing the bed, consider the surroundings and make sure it is in a safe location. In Minecraft, beds serve as a respawn point, so it is essential to place them in a secure area to avoid respawning in a dangerous location. Additionally, beds can be used to set your spawn point, which means you will respawn at the bed when your character dies. To set your spawn point using the bed, simply sleep in the bed by interacting with it. This will set the bed as your spawn point, and you will respawn there when your character dies. Keep in mind that you can only set your spawn point at night, and you must be in a safe location to do so. By following these steps, you can make and use a bed in Minecraft on the PS5, providing you with a safe and convenient way to respawn in the game world.